Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you mobile data on but internet not working. How to fix mobile data not working. So, if you've encountered this problem, maybe there is a bug or maybe you have bad connection, your internet connection or the mobile data signal is poor. You can try to tap on settings, tap on SIM card or mobile data, and tap on your carrier. Here there is how you can enable or disable. You can rename your SIM card, you can set your SIM number, you can turn on data roaming and prefer network type. Make it auto, or you have a 4G, make it sorry, you have a 5G, make it 5G. And this one, access point name, so try to add plus, and here you can create new IPN. In order to create it, you can search on the internet based on your carrier. So, or also there are some new IPN, some best IPN that could work on your phone. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.